Okay, so we've got a 6 flash on a service call, so that is replace the burner. We're not going to replace the burner, but we are going to take a look at it today. Somebody's been into this bad boy. There we go. So the screen looks pretty clean. You can kind of see it here on the bottom. Looks really clean. I don't know what the problem is, but I think usually when I run into these code 6s or these fault code 6s, usually it's the circuit board. So I think that is what we want to do, is get that channel. That's the clip came off. We want to get that changed. But they were like this thing. I got the combustion chamber sort of rotated the wrong way, so it's not lining up straight. So you can't really get a screwdriver in here to line up with the screw. It's a real pain in the ass. It just I could rotate this combustion chamber, you know, but I can't because it's sandwiched in there pretty good. We will change. We'll go ahead and change the circuit board. Valve looks good. Okay, pilot light is lit. Okay, so we went ahead and cleaned the burner assembly, we checked the valve, we cleaned the flame arrestor, we cleaned off the thermopile, and then I replaced the circuit board with a different one. So we're hoping this takes care of it. This is a code 6, so this is an error code that says to replace the burner assembly. I often find it's the circuit board when that's the issue, so it's up and running right now. So hopefully all is good and we don't get any more phone calls from them and they're happy. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. Consider subscribing to my channel and we will see you on the next video. So I've been finding these Bradford white water heaters lately where the front screen, the screen in the front is completely clogged up with like dog hair or lint, just choked out. And then they're full of soot. So I've got 2 that are like this. I'm pretty sure the tanks aren't leaking, but they're going to need a lot of cleaning. But then I should be able to resell these. But I'm just kind of desperate for water heaters right now because it's pretty lean out there and everyone's charging a fortune for used water heaters. So everything's gone up and supply has gotten low, so I've got to put more work in to get these things. But I've got 2 Bradford whites. They're relatively new. This one was a warranty return, so I'm not 100% on the year, but based on the valve I'd say, you know, it's got to be less than 6 years old, so it's probably like a 2020 or something. But I should be able to get it functioning again. So let's see what the burner assembly looks like. See that? Oh yeah. It's gonna be a mess. So this is another example, same model water heater. You can see these vents get clogged in the front. This one I actually cleaned out a little bit before I brought it home, but all these vents in the front here get clogged up, and then that's what creates the soot. This has the exact same problem. You can see the soot. So I got the other water heater all cleaned up. It's running fine now. It's over here. It's all good to go. Hooked it up, ran it, cleaned it out with an air compressor, lots of water, lots of soap, and it's in good shape. Everything is all clean. Anyway, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video.